In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Norton to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Norton linked and ready to use without any confusion. We'll go slowly, keep it clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. Start inside ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area. This may show your picture, initials, or a user icon. Click that to open your account menu, then choose Settings. This is where you control how ChatGPT behaves and which tools it can use. Inside Settings, find and select the Apps section. Think of apps as your hub for discovering and managing connections that work alongside ChatGPT. This is the place where you can add new capabilities when they're available. From there, click Explore Apps or Add More. The exact wording can vary, but both take you to the same place. A catalog where you can browse and connect tools. At the top, you'll see a search field. Click into that search box and type Norton. Be sure to spell it correctly so the right result appears quickly. When you see the Norton app show up in the results, select it to open its details. You should now see an option to connect. Go ahead and click Connect. After that, simply follow the on-screen instructions, if there are any. These can include confirming that you want to link the app, reviewing brief permission prompts, or agreeing to the app's terms. Just read each screen carefully and confirm where needed. If no additional steps appear, the connection completes automatically. That's it. Once Norton is connected, you'll typically see a confirmation, and in your apps area, you should notice that Norton is now listed as connected. If you don't see Norton in your results, double-check your spelling, and keep in mind that availability can vary by region and account type. Also, if the button says Disconnect instead of Connect, that means you're already linked and ready to go. To recap, you clicked your profile at the bottom left, opened Settings, chose Apps, selected Explore Apps or Add More, searched for Norton, clicked Connect, and followed any instructions that appeared. Take your time with each prompt, and you'll be done in just a minute or two. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you're all set to start using Norton within ChatGPT right away.